Hi guys, in the previous videos we saw how to send a SMS, how to capture the status of the SMS. Now we will see what or how we can capture the message which is sent by the user to the Twilio number and how we can capture the information or what are the information we can get it from it. Okay. Uh, so there are few steps involved over here, right? So as you know, in the Twilio, if I go to my number, right? Once it loads, okay. So this is my phone number, right? So what I have to do is in the Telio that I have, right? The number which I have purchased, I have to inform Telio that if somebody reply to this phone number, right? SMS, uh, send it to somewhere, right? So either there is a configuration of to email app, right? Or you can pass it to the web service or the function or studio, like if you want to integrate with the Dialogflow or any of the chatbot solutions, right? uh, that is what we can do. uh, so over here what we do is under the messaging services, a message comes in, right? So we have many functions over here. So I will select the webhook, and over here we have to give a URL. So once user reply to this phone number, it will come and it will call this web service. Okay, and this web service will be always actively listening for any incoming message, right? So for that, I already written the code. So my code is over here, SMS handle. Let me open it. I think I already. Okay, so this code is nothing but a simple web service. Okay, this is a post web service, and what we are doing is just printing out right now the request body. I will show in the next video how to integrate with the dialog flow so that the user can have to and fro conversation, continuous conversation. So for now, just concentrate over here. So we have created a web service using Node.js Express, and we are listening to the handle reply. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to my ng-rock and copy this URL. My URL is over here, and handle reply is nothing but the path, API path which we are listening. I will save the configuration. So whatever now what will happen if I reply to this phone number or message to this phone number, uh, what I was saying, yeah, if I message to this number, I will get a response to my this web service. Okay. Okay, so this was the previous one. So let me start the SMS capture status handle reply. Okay. Okay, so now if I go back to my phone number, okay, so now if you notice, again, this is for India limitation. We don't have luxury to reply because again, in Telio, if you see for India, it is only one way. India is a one way, means from Telio I can send SMS, I cannot reply to the same. So what I mean by the same is I get the number as something like 503501, which is not the phone number I use. This is the phone number which I have. But anyway, what we will do is we will go and type the phone number plus 1218 400 4654. Okay, sorry, I was not sharing my screen. Okay, so this is the phone number. I will say hi from mobile. Oh, sorry, from user. Okay. Now, practically, it will come over here, Twilio. Then Twilio will see, oh, we have already configured a API over here, like this one. Let me pass this information to user or the API. So if you see over here, I got a response from the Twilio. What it says is this is the ID, okay, And this is the phone number. I have typed hi from user. If you see over here, not sorry, here to console. Where's my console? And what is the phone number I messaged to, what is the date, and blah blah blah. So this is how you can reply or capture the response which is from the user side, and the details that you get from the Twilio. You can get it into your application and perform whatever the activity is required. So yeah, that's it from my side. Hopefully you like the video. Thank you.